Akala mo secured ka. Akala mo safe na safe ang buhay mo. Pero habang todo kayod ka sa isang trabaho, nang ginagawa mo lang kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin, hindi mo napapansin parang nauubos ka na. Can you relate? The truth is, comfort zone is very deceptive. It makes you think you're doing well, even if in reality, you're not. Let's be honest, nothing ever grows in the zone of comfort. So, let me ask you right now, how much longer are you gonna stay in that comfort zone of yours? Mataas pangarap mo? Ang laki ng inaasam mo? How much longer are you gonna stay stuck? Kasi hindi ka makapunta doon sa pangarap na inaasam-asam mo dahil hindi ka naman kumikilos palabas dyan, di ba? Kasi bawat araw na hindi mo ginagawa yung kailangan mong gawin, somebody else is doing it. Somebody else is taking your slot. Somebody else is taking your place. Hi everyone, this is Migs, and right now in this learning session na naman, pag-uusapan natin yung buhay mo at yung iyong personal development and personal growth, kasi naniniwala tayo, when the who is clear, it's just a matter of alignment and growth para yung result na gusto mo mangyari para sa'yo. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung real cost of comfort zone. Kasi, meron tayong tinatawag na invisible price tag of comfort. Akala natin na porke tayo nasa comfort zone, we are actually okay. Kasi yung mga ginagawa natin, predictable. Kasi sanay ka na na para bang feeling mo, okay, alam ko na kung ano yung mangyayari kasi lagi na akong nandito sa lugar na ito. Pero the truth is, nothing grows without a stretch. Hanggat hindi ka nagkakaroon ng stretch, hindi ka magkakaroon ng pagbabago, at hanggat walang pagbabago, walang nagbabago sa iyong buhay at sa iyong resulta. Stretch is necessary and required if you want your life to be better. Let's be honest, kapag walang nagbago sa buhay mo, pati resulta mo hindi magbabago. So, ibig sabihin, if you want to achieve a better kind of life, you gotta be doing things that is way different than what you're doing now. And it will never work in the comfort zone. Sabi nga, to whom much is given, much is required. Ibig sabihin, kaya kami skills, knowledge, insights, and experiences today, para yan ay gamitin mo. Mag-build, mag-multiply, at mag-lead. Hindi yan ibinigay sa'yo para sayangin mo. Number 2, alam kong marami kang justification, marami kang reason, at marami kang excuse. Pero sa totoo lang, beneath it all, you're just afraid. Let me say it again up front with you right now. Takot ka lang. Because sometimes, fear looks like logic if you don't question it. Sometimes, ang itsura ng takot, pagiging reasonable, pagiging logical. Sasabihin mo, hindi ko pa time. Sasabihin mo, wala pa kasi yung puhunan, hindi ako makapagnegosyo. O kaya naman sasabihin mo, marami pa kasi akong hindi alam, kailangan pag-aralan. Kailangan ko pa kasi maging perfect. Sa totoo lang, these are not valid reasons, guys. These are fear disguised as excuses. But let me say this with you right now. Playing small will never save you from failure. It will just ensure that you will never really find out your potential and what you're capable of. At hindi ba mas nakakatakot at mas malungkot yung hindi mo malalaman gaano ka kagaling just because nabuhay ka sa isang bagay na puno ng takot? Sa kagustuhan mo maging logical, 10 years na broke ka pa rin. Sa kagustuhan mo maging reasonable, 20 years na, hindi ka pa rin umasenso. Real talk lang. Hindi ba pareho lang din naman yung rason na binigay sa'yo ng magulang mo and they're still stuck to the very thing that they are until today? Tapos gagayahin mo? Kala ko ba gusto mo ng pagbabago? Fear will look like logic and question it. Again, hindi sa gusto kitang saktan, pero gusto lang kitang bigyan ng kamalayan or awareness na maybe change is possible for you too. Last but not the least, number 3 is this. The longer you wait, the longer you pay this price. Hindi lamang overthinking yung ibinibigay nitong hardship para sa'yo. You are spending time, energy, effort, money, even self-worth, pinangbabayad mo for staying in your comfort zone. Kasi di ba, napapagod ka, nahihirapan ka, nauubos energy mo, tapos bumababa na confidence level mo. For what? For overthinking? For what? For overanalyzing? Is that really worth it? I don't think so. Feeling ko, yung resulta nun, mas mababa pa than just making mistakes and failing. Kasi yung making mistakes at pag-fail, meron kang makukuhang lesson. Meron kang makukuhang knowledge. Magkakaroon ka ng kaalaman at matututo ka at pwede kang bumangon. Pero anong natutunan mo sa overthinking? Hindi ba wala? Anong natutunan mo sa analysis paralysis? Zero. Nagigets mo? So I want you to audit right now, what are your patterns of playing safe and staying in your comfort zone? Number one, answer this question for me. Where in your life are you staying safe but slowly dying? Number two, what have you postponed? Or yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, mamaya na yan, bukas na yan. That you know, and you know your God or your heart, your soul is already telling you to start. Pero pinagpapaliban mo pa rin. And I want you to be honest to yourself right now. If you stay in that comfort zone for the next 5 years, what will your life be like? Before I end, I want you guys to get this. Hindi ka nabuhay para lamang magbayad ng bills at mamatay. You are called to build something. You're called for a purpose. You're created for a higher purpose. Building something significant requires courage. Kailangan ng tapang. Kailangan ng confidence. And sometimes courage is doing things despite of fear. Kahit nakakatakot, ipagpatuloy. Because the sooner that you step out of your comfort zone, get into your danger zone, or what I call courage zone, the sooner you start living in your calling. Worst comes to worst, hindi mo man ma-achieve yung pinaka-pinapangarap mo, pero hindi ba the very least that you're living what you're called to do? Isn't that a more enjoyable life to have? Worst comes to worst, hindi ba mas masaya ka pa rin? Mas na-enjoy mo pa rin ang buhay at mas nasabi mong sulit ang araw-araw? Now, best comes to best. What if everything works out in your favor? Then aren't you gonna be proud that you're gonna be living the best life ever? Again, this is Migs Flores. Usap tayo.